In this video, I will show you how to run certain bulk actions on session hosts inside of host pools on a scheduled basis. If we go into the action menu next to any of the host pools in our Nerdio Manager environment, we'll see that there is a host menu inside. And this host menu let us run several bulk actions that will apply to all of the hosts inside of that host pool. Let's use the restart option as an example. If we click on restart, it gives us the ability to automatically reboot all of the session hosts inside of this host pool. And we can do so either on demand by clicking OK, or we can do this on a scheduled basis by turning on our schedule. So let's imagine we want this to happen daily at 3 a.m. starting tomorrow night. And this way, when users log in the morning, they will be logging into a fresh desktop that was recently rebooted. What we can also do is we can specify the number of hosts that this should run in the size of the group and the number of hosts that it should run on. So for example, if I have 20 hosts in my host pool and I want to run it on all 20 at the same time, meaning reboot them all at the same time, I can specify number 20 or really anything larger. But if I wanted to do this on a smaller group scale, let's say I'll do this in groups of 5, that would run the reboot command in 4 groups of 5 hosts, one after the other. When it runs that command, when it runs the restart in this case, we have the option of warning the users and also placing the hosts in drain mode before they are rebooted. So we have this messaging option right here. We can turn it on. We can specify how long to give users to log off or save their work, specify what message we want to show on the user screen. And once we click OK, this will schedule a reboot daily at 3 a.m. on this host pool called Field Apps. So you can see now there's a little alarm clock that indicates that there's a schedule applied. If we click on it, we can see that there is a restart host pool VMs job that will be executed on a daily basis. The next thing I want to show you is, in addition to being able to restart VMs, you can also do things like power them on at a certain time. You could power them off on a schedule, and you can even run any PowerShell command also on a scheduled basis. So if we go into the PowerShell command option, we can enable our schedule. And let's say we want to run a certain update for a certain application with a piece of code. And maybe we want to do that weekly on Sunday mornings at 2 a.m. We go ahead and set that up. We put in our script right here. We can choose whether or not we want to reboot our VMs after the script runs. And we can choose whether or not we want a message to pop up for the users. If it's a non-disruptive operation and we're not rebooting the VMs, we may not need to enable any messaging and any user notification. So this gives you the option to schedule a PowerShell script in addition to what we scheduled earlier, which was the reboot action. And we can do the same thing for many other bulk action activities. Hopefully you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.